So today we're going to work with Chakrasana. Namaste. Namaste. Rolling move. So you have those series of them at the end of the first primary series. Namaste. Try to get to the end point too soon. Play around with the roll itself, because that's where the cool stuff is. It doesn't actually matter whether you do a backward somersault or not. What's cool is the rolling across your spine and playing around with it. So that's what I want you to try first, is just don't even think about doing a somersault. Just swing your legs over and come back. And so you can do it like Dalara's doing it with bent knees, or you can do it with straight legs. And I would say bending the knees is harder, easier. So go ahead, just bend your knees, everybody. Namaste. Squat and go back and forth. Back and forth. Keep your knees bent, Mayoni. Namaste. The knees bent the whole time. Guys, yep, go. Back and forth, rolling across the spine. Okay? So then now, straighten the legs and try it. Straight and over. So almost like going to Halasana and then going to Daṇḍāsana. Okay, and then take the arms overhead when you go. So kind of keeping them straight, like with your legs. Go ahead. Yeah, and do it as smooth as possible. Rolling across your spine and enjoying that. Okay, now you're going to, as you take your arms over, bend the elbows and kind of put them under your shoulders, but don't do anything with that, but just do it. So position your arms how you would do it if you're going to do a backward somersault, keeping your chin tucked. Here we go. Yeah. And try to take some weight on your arm. So like plant your hands and weight the arm. Yeah, plant the hand, Mayumi. There you go. Okay, so this right there, that would be far enough in some cases. But if you were still fearful or uncertain, what you can do is get some support for the shoulders. So we'll do that. So we've got this kind of like a pad set up, and we'll put, go ahead, Dalara. We'll put a mat on top of it for the more padding, and you could even put the second one. You're trying to get so that your neck is off the pad. Okay, let me show you what I mean. Okay, so this is too far. It's like your shoulders are off too. Right? And then this is not far enough because your neck is not off the pad, it's just your head. So you're trying to get it right there. So the shoulders are on, neck off, and over. This way is the most momentum, okay? So you can just really give a powerful swing. So momentum and rhythm is a big ally here in this, as well as pushing off your arms. Okay, and tucking your chin. It was like the previous exercise, but now you can actually get more weight in your arms. So without going over, Dalara, now press through the hands, weight the arms. Okay, yep, and again. Okay, so this is a phase, all right, and then you want to finish it off, Dalara. Here we go. Yeah. All right. So, who's next? Come on. Hi. So first, the warm-up. Okay? And don't put too much behind it yet, because you got to figure out where your neck. Yeah, you got to scoot that way. Okay. Yep. Here we go. Come up. Yep. Okay, so this could be far enough for some people. Or I would scoot that forward the littlest bit, I think. Okay, you ready to try it? Yeah. And you could see there was some fear. Follow it through. You made it harder, actually, Pi. Follow it through. Use the momentum and rhythm. Push off your hands. Do it again. And now you got to test it out. See where. Yeah, okay, here we go. So really drive the legs through. There you go. Yes, yes. Okay, Mayumi. So try it out once or twice without doing it. Just test the waters. Get the feeling for it. Yeah, you may want to scoot. Mm-hmm. All right, and go. Yep. So trying to weight your arms. Swing your legs over freely. And tuck your chin. Go. Shoop. Yep. Super. Okay, so you can do it sitting up and get that extra little boost of momentum, but you can also do it laying down, which is like more classic if you're coming out of Supta Padangusthasana or something. Go ahead. Oh, nice. Okay, and then do it with no pad. So first sitting up, and then laying down. Yep. Go ahead. Yeah. Yeah, see, I would take your arms sooner. Make your arms part of your leg move. Your arms are going after your legs. Together. Yeah, exactly. Yes. Okay, there you have it.